Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025. And now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 2nd of April in the year 2025, our system has ranked VOO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.65. Now, let's examine the exchange-traded fund's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it unfolds in the days ahead. The exchange-traded fund is currently situated within a short-term declining trend, with indications suggesting further decreases may occur. The analysis of the past 3 months implies a potential decrease of approximately 6.65% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between -10.41% and -2.09%. In a broader context, our assessment over the past 12 months reveals a projected change of 16.38%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 14.74% to 28.58% in the coming year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price falling between $595.37 and $667.21. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, VOO ETF downgraded from hold, accumulate to sell candidate after Wednesday trading session. The VOO ETF price gained approximately 0.603% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 2nd of April 2025, rising from $515.80 to $518.91. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues this upward trend or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 2.26%. From a low of $509.93 to a high of $521.46. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days, yet it is still down by 0.46% during this period. The trading volume decreased on the last day by 3 million shares, with a total of 5 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.43 billion. It is important to note that declining volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $563.90, while the lowest price was $453.90. Currently, the price is 7.98%, or $44.99, below the 52-week high of $563.90, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. The Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, referred to as VOO, is currently navigating a turbulent market landscape as various economic concerns and trade tensions loom. Recent insights suggest a diminished outlook for the second quarter, with strategists highlighting a lower likelihood of a rebound for the S&P 500 index. This environment of caution is compounded by the anticipation of upcoming tariffs that could significantly impact market dynamics. Presently, market sentiment remains in the extreme fear zone, according to the CNN Money Fear and Greed Index, reflecting investor anxiety as some sectors, particularly healthcare and financials, face pressure from economic weakness. Despite recent positive movements in specific stocks like PVH and Tesla, the overall S&P 500 exhibits weakness, and analysts caution that the current price charts do not present a bullish outlook. In the short term, such market sentiment and potential tariff repercussions could lead to increased volatility and downward pressure on VOO's price. Investors might adopt a cautious approach, awaiting clearer signals before committing funds. However, over the long term, VOO's role as a fundamental component of investment strategies may endure, particularly for those seeking broad market exposure. Nonetheless, the current macroeconomic indicators suggest that any recovery could be slow and fraught with challenges. The following signals have been identified for VOO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, March 13, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 2.34%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Despite the rise in prices, volume decreased during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The ETF should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could influence short-term developments. The VOO ETF currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative outlook for the ETF. There is also a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average situated above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the levels of $519.39 and $532.31. A breakout above either of these levels will issue buy signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 15 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 26 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 18 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $515.51. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when support is tested. Generally, the exchange-traded fund exhibits very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this ETF is considered quite low. During the past day, the ETF fluctuated $11.53 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.26%. Over the last week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.90%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at 530.5. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, VOO faces its first support level at 515.51. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. We have received a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is VOO ETF a good buy? VOO is currently exhibiting several negative signals and is experiencing a downward trend, leading us to believe it will likely continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this ETF has shifted to a negative stance. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical assessment, we have revised our analysis conclusion from a hold or accumulate to a sell candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 3rd of April, we anticipate that VOO will open lower by $2.15, starting at $516.76. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.